Hi guys, welcome back to Michelle James Designs. I'm Michelle and you can find me at michellejdesigns.com. So today I am showing you how to make a faux dessert for a tiered tray. So this is a little mini milkshake that I made for my St. Pat's tiered tray. It's so fun and these guys are so cute. I just love making them and I can't wait to make more. So I started with these shot glasses or dessert glasses from the Dollar Tree. They come 3 in a pack. They are hard to find, at least at my dollar stores. I've had these for a little while. So first what I did was pour some paint into the cup, to the shot glass, and rolled it around until I had this nice smooth finish, and I put it upside down and let it drain out and let it dry. So that was overnight, okay, or a couple days even. So then I got these styrofoam balls that actually fit into the top of it, and I put some glue around the edges, and then I just plopped it down into the little dessert cup to act as kind of a filler, because you don't want to have to fill the entire cup with the spackle that we use for the whipped cream. So this is lightweight spackle. Now I got this at the Dollar Tree, but you can get lightweight spackle, at Menards or whatever. It's kind of a sort of a grayish color, so I'm adding this white paint into it. So that is what I'm going to do first. So I've got myself this jar, and here's my spackle, and I'm just going to put some in the jar because I don't need the entire container for this. I'm just kind of using this little wooden tongue depressor to put some into the jar, and then I'm going to add enough paint to make it white. I want it to be like a bright white, like whipped cream. So I'm stirring that in, and if you like the color, you can keep stirring. If you want to add more paint, make it more white like I did, then you can do that as well, just to the color that you want. If you wanted pink whipped cream or light green whipped cream, add that color of paint, whatever color you want. So just mix it up really well. And once you have it mixed, then we are going to be using a piping bag. I just got this at Walmart in like their baking section, their cake decorating, and then I have a small star tip. So I have a small one because I'm using this as a mini dessert. Now if you wanted to do a full-size whipped cream on top of a regular full-size cup, I've seen those, they're really cute, then you could use probably a bigger star tip. So now I am just adding some of that into the pastry bag, or all of it actually I'm going to put in there, so I don't want to have to refill that again. I always have trouble getting that in there without getting it all over the edges of the pastry bag. I'm terrible cake decorator and a terrible cookie decorator, so I didn't know how I would do this or how I would be able, if I could do it, but it's fun. And I have to say that you could practice on this, and you could, get real whipped cream and practice your piping skills if you want to, but I don't think I did too bad. So I'm just piping this all the way around my cup, and I made a little mistake, but I just pushed it up, and then I just kept going until it made this little mound of spackle at the top to look like whipped cream. So you can put as much or as little. So then I'm using a little paper straw. You can get these in the party section of places, and I'm just gonna place that in there. Now that styrofoam ball is in there, so it's gonna stop. So I could have probably cut the straw a little bit shorter, but it's fine, it looks fine. And it will harden in with the spackle and stay there. So then, like on your desserts, you have some sort of little sprinkles. So I'm using some glitter. You don't want to use real food or it's going to get icky over time. So just use some glitter. You can use little beads, like seed beads if you want to. Just different things. I did like rainbow colors. and I accidentally got a little too much blue, but we're gonna fix that. So I just kind of have some rainbow colors on there. And what I did with that blue, see my lucky Irish luck pin? That's a little pin like that you would wear on your lapel. I just plopped that down in that blue, and that really topped it off and made it very cute. So here it is on my tiered tray. I have this fake beer, this green beer that I got. I got that off Etsy. I love that, and I will leave the link to that Etsy shop below in the description. So if you guys are interested in that. So I thought this was just so fun. I love these faux desserts. I'm going to be making some more, and I hope you guys like them too, because you'll want to do that. It is just really fun. So there it is, you guys, my St. Pat's tiered tray. I hope you guys had fun, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.